If you want to stop sharing your photos from your iPhone and iPad to Mac or another iPhone, right? So first of all, you have to open up your settings. After that, let's scroll down to our apps and let's find our photos. Here they are. Open up your photos. Great. And in our photos, let's turn off our iCloud photos option. Now give it a couple seconds to be turned off. So this will prevent from automatic upload all of your photos to iCloud where they are available to everyone who have the same Apple ID. If you have your request, you'll have to choose remove from iPhone option, and basically that's it. However, sometimes make sure that your photos are not being saved or the reserved copy of your iPhone, because otherwise they still may appear, so keep that in mind. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.